Hello guys. So I've been using DataRails for a few months now, and honestly, it's been a game changer for managing financial planning and analysis. For Shopify store owners, this is similar to finally having a dashboard that automatically consolidates your sales, inventory, and ad spend all in one place, so you can make decisions based on accurate, real-time data instead of juggling spreadsheets. The first thing I noticed was how seamlessly it integrates with Excel. I work with massive Excel sheets every day, linking data across multiple workbooks, and before DataRails, this often led to errors or just endless frustration trying to consolidate everything. For a Shopify store, this is like trying to reconcile your daily sales across Shopify, Amazon, and your marketing platforms manually. One wrong formula, and your numbers are off. DataRails eliminates that headache by pulling everything together automatically. Now, DataRails pulls in data from our ERP and other accounting platforms like NetSuite almost instantly, which saves me a ton of time and keeps the numbers accurate. It feels like I finally have control over my reports, instead of the reports controlling me. If you think about a Shopify store, this could be the difference between guessing which product is profitable and actually seeing real-time profit margins across all your SKUs without any manual calculations. What I really love is the automation. Tasks that used to take hours, like monthly reporting or variance analysis, now take minutes. The dashboards and live reporting tools are intuitive, and even though I occasionally tweak them to get the visuals just right, it's far easier than building everything from scratch in Excel. For Shopify owners, this is similar to automating your monthly sales reports, ad ROI summaries, or inventory turnover metrics. Things that would normally take hours to compile manually, so you can actually spend time strategizing. There's also the AI-powered side of it, which helps highlight insights I might have missed, like trends or anomalies in our financial data. I've personally used it to streamline reporting for multiple companies within our group, and the results are impressive. It's reduced mistakes, improved visibility, and honestly, it makes me feel like I'm actually adding value instead of just crunching numbers all day. For a Shopify business, AI insights could flag trends like sudden drops in sales for a specific product or unusual spikes in returns, helping you act faster than you would manually.
White, the CFO and one of the three
The learning curve was there at first, I won't lie.
You have one system that
Getting
can
used
do
to
it
all the features, connecting
Jesselson.
data sources, and setting up automated reports took some support from the DataRails team. But the onboarding process was structured really well, and their customer support is genuinely helpful, not just scripted responses. They know finance and accounting inside out, so whenever I had a question, I got guidance that actually made sense. For Shopify beginners, having this kind of support is invaluable, especially when integrating multiple tools or trying to automate reporting without making costly mistakes. One of the cool parts is being able to drill down into the data to the lowest level. If I need to see the exact transactions behind a report, it's just a click away. For Shopify owners, this is like being able to click on a total revenue number and instantly see which product sales, ad spend, or discounts contributed to it. No more hunting through multiple spreadsheets or reports. If I were to nitpick, I'd say that some of the dashboard features aren't as flexible as fully custom Excel charts, so there's a little adjusting to do if you want highly customized visuals. But honestly, that's minor compared to the time and errors it saves. For store owners, the trade-off is worth it. Spending a few extra minutes tweaking visuals is far better than hours spent manually consolidating and cross-checking data. Pricing feels reasonable too, especially considering how much time and effort it frees up. For anyone who's dealing with complex Excel-based financial reporting and wants a reliable, powerful platform that integrates well with existing systems, DataRails is worth every penny. For Shopify owners managing multiple stores or channels, the time saved on consolidation alone can justify the cost many times over. I genuinely feel more in control of our financial data and less bogged down by the manual work that used to dominate my day. It's been an eye-opener for me. I can actually focus on analysis and strategy instead of just data wrangling. For Shopify store owners, That means more time to focus on product launches, marketing campaigns, and scaling your business, rather than fighting with spreadsheets every day.